Welcome to another episode on my driving robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed in Python. It uses two touch sensors, active sonar and a camera, being driven by OpenCV, and it is being tested for making images and ultimately trajectory or course control using those images. And last time I found that I better had to reduce the speed with which it was going in order to give time to make multiple images, because it turned out that mostly by too much speed it had only time for one image at the start and one image when it had arrived at the objects. And that is not enough to make a nice course control or trajectory control. So let's see to the, what the current situation is. I will start the program. What will happen this time? Will it once again divert from its trajectory, or will it go straight on? Okay, clear answer. This is not what I can use. So let me just interrupt it and put it back into its place. And try again. And it goes in error with an OpenCV error, so let's try again. There it goes. Right, and that is contact 1. See whatever happens. Yeah, a lamp, somewhat correction to the right, and then it stops. So actually that does work, although we already knew that, but always happy to see it work. But something else is noted. A very early diversion, and then a straight line, so it doesn't go into a curve constantly. So why does it do that? Why does it drive into a curve soon and then straight line? That means that both motors can drive synchronously. Alright, one more test. Right here, and let's see. That's other trajectory. What happens here? Another OpenCV error. Alright, then once again right there. Go. with another attempt. Network error. New. So far, straight line. Right here, sonar. Well, it doesn't go any further because it can't. But what happens next? It keeps making images, and that's about it. A lamp. Nice. Does it make a sound then in the end? Why doesn't it stop? Right, then I'll let it stop. It didn't make the same diversion again, which was from here and then in a straight line. And that is typically a moment where OpenCV imaging and going for its goal can come in, but why does it happen anyway? Let's take a look at the code.
So this is the situation still with this object still not relocated by the pushy robot. There are some new images, so let's take the first look at the images. This is not exactly what I intend. 15.3. Why does it take? Oh, then it takes the first image that it takes apparently. It's 32, 33, and quite a few. But okay, let's take the first one. 3250, which is indeed this one, the very first one. So next 33. This. Oh, that's an empty one. Oh, that's not nice. So let me check which one are usable. 2 are totally unusable. Okay. What means that I can use 3357, which is more or less the same. Then also, why is it 0 anyway? I do not understand that. So these two are the same. Then this one, okay, that is very close to the final object. So how much time has passed between these two? Because this one is 3250 and this one is 34.8. Assuming that it, oh wait, that is of course then a different run. It's in minutes, so there are at least 2 minutes. It's not comparable. Not comparable at all. So assuming that this one, 3357 is a valid one, then it takes 8 plus 3 is 12 seconds. 12 seconds for it to reach now these 2 points, and since it is the very first one after it, that means that it is 11, yeah, you can say 11 seconds. It takes 11 seconds, and then it has no time for other images, apparently. Or how is that written in software? This is moment 0 and this is moment 10. So let's go there. There's moment 0. This is 00 and okay. This is moment 0. And this moment 10. And that's 11 seconds. What can I do to improve that? Well, nothing, apparently, because if it would have, then there would be another 0 moment. And these 3 are 0 moments. This is the first non-zero moment after this one. So between these, nothing. No sonar, because when does it go sonar? Here. But there's no, that's odd. Because if there's, if that's a sonar moment, why is there no picture taken? Or is there? Yeah, 37. Go here. Sonar, picture, 36. And earlier than that, no sonar. No sonar at all, just 36. Okay. What next? Alright, so after checking those few seconds between the images, why does it divert anyway? Here there's nothing happening. Here yeah, something is happening. Wall contact 1, wall contact 2. I could of course say is, but whatever. Then a speed 125. Slow, very slow now. And that is being synchronized. Or is it? I set the speed for both. Then I set a distance for both. I synchronize the motors, so they should run synchronized anyway, exactly the same. Where did that go wrong? This is as prescribed. And then while not, does what goes on here? Alright, text the current counter value. What I can do, of course, is making it stop when both are not equal. I think that is a nice idea. So, but when to do that? I think best is before any contact or sonar thing happens. Well, here it measures the sonar already. CA0. Here that doesn't happen yet. Empty. Where is CA0? Distance CA0. Here. It measures a distance of 11 centimeters, so it has been going on for a while. Here already. So what I should do here is equalizing them. Or comparing them, not equalizing, comparing them. So, no, new line. If down to 0, equal 3, is not equal to. Is, yeah, in C you would say this, but let me just state if not this, let me try this. Counter 1 equal 3. Then, and now I have to keep in mind how many spaces I use. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I say motor rest, stop, and motor ring, stop. Now I'm curious what effect that will have, and of course I have to make sure that I am notified on screen. So I'll say counters not equal. Now semicolon, let's see. I'm curious what will happen. So let's find out.
So with this little change in code to compare the pulse counters coming from the motor, from the motors of course, there are two, I'm very curious what happens. And error in camera thread, and it just goes on, but I interrupt. Another attempt. There it goes. And this is odd. That would mean that either the counters are exactly the same, or my code is not good, or it just doesn't happen. Well, when I look now at the screen output, counters pre is 0, counters end is 0, so they are equal. How can that happen? Let me look back into old code, old output. Counter 0, when in sonar cases they differ 5, 370 to 75. So there is a difference. Looking further back, counters are differing. Counter 0 is then 389 and counter 1 is at contact 1 is 393. So they differ 4. So, conclusion maybe counters are the same. Let's do it again. It's a kind of odometry, but different. Well, they're different, yeah, slightly. And it ends with an OpenCV error, so I have to start again. And the image being copied is absolutely 0, so that's why the OpenCV error happens. And one more image being taken, OpenCV error, because of the image is 0. So I have no idea why that is. Okay, good image, so let's go. Pre is 0, I'm used to that now. That's contact. Definitely contact and a straight line, but the counters differ again 5. 5 pulses difference. One is 336 and the other is 341. So If there's a difference, why does it not stop? Maybe because I need to check on my Python in comparing the pulses. Let's do that. Alright, final part of this episode. For sake of time, I have skipped a screencast for altering the code to compare the distances with sonar and contacts. My first idea on comparing the values was correct, so exclamation mark equals or equal sign is indeed the correct way. So I changed all that, made some more modifications to ease the code, and now it should get quite clear if counters are different. So let's start the code, the program. And so far there's nothing happening, although there is. But oh, that is remarkable. That is quite remarkable. It changes. Okay, I'm going to stop the code. Looking back at the screen output, because I get a difference in counters in a condition that I didn't change yet. So I am going to change that part of the code, see if that is easy to do. No, it takes a bit of time, but I suspect that with this, and I will continue with this next time, that it changes over time, and that's remarkable. Why does it change over time? Let me do one more test. And I don't care about hitting objects, I just care about counters now. Network error. I don't like that. And this is the final run that I do. And it makes an image that is 0, so the whole thing ends. And with that I end this episode. So for now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you like, much appreciated. You can also follow me on Twitter. If so, retweet and like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram, like and leave a comment. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. It takes time and effort. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website or with my video, depending on the pledge you make. And yes, this is going to be continued, obviously. Once again, thank you for watching.